Drone flying for seniors, recreational versus commercial explained. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Last time we explored how drone flying can be an incredible hobby for seniors, covering everything from the fun of flying to essential safety tips. Today, we'll look at the key differences between recreational and commercial drone flying, plus where to find info on getting your commercial drone pilot license if you want to earn money from your flights. Let's dive in. What's the difference? First, let's define these two categories clearly. You're flying just for fun, with no intention to make money from your drone photos, videos, or services. Commercial flying. You're flying to make a profit, whether that's selling aerial images, doing real estate or inspection work, or any service where you're compensated. Legal requirements and regulations. In the United States, different rules apply depending on your category. Recreational flyers must pass the FAA TRUST test, a free online quiz that covers basic drone safety and regulations. Register your drone with the FAA if it weighs more than 0.55 pounds, 250 grams. Must fly strictly for enjoyment, follow local and community-based guidelines, and keep your drone within visual line of sight. Commercial flyers. You'll need the Part 107 remote pilot certificate issued by the FAA. This involves a written exam covering airspace regulations, weather, aeronautical decision-making, and more. Registration of your drone under commercial operations is also required. You can legally earn money from any work done with your drone. Real estate photos, events, inspections, etc. Where to get info on commercial drone pilot licenses? If you're ready to transition from recreational flying to commercial operations, here's where to start. FAA website. Visit the FAA's official site for detailed info on Part 107 requirements, study materials, and official test centers. do.faa.gov US Commercial Operators Part 107 Operators. Online courses and test prep. Sites like Pilot Institute or Drone Launch Academy offer structured Part 107 training. Some even provide practice tests and study guides. Local flight schools or community colleges, some may run drone pilot courses or study groups focusing on Part 107. This can be great if you prefer a classroom setting or hands-on guidance. Deciding where you fit in. To figure out whether you're recreational or commercial, just ask, am I flying just for fun, or do I want to earn money? Do I need advanced knowledge of airspace regulations and weather patterns, or is basic flying enough for me? If you plan on any type of profit, you must follow commercial guidelines under Part 107, even if it's just selling a few photos online. Perks and responsibilities of going commercial. Some seniors turn drone flying into a side business or even a full-time gig. Here's why you might consider it. Earning potential. Charge for aerial photography, real estate tours, or local business promotions. Higher standards. You'll be held to stricter regulations and be responsible for renewing your Part 107 certification every 2 years. Professional equipment. Commercial jobs often call for drones with high-end cameras, longer flight times, or better obstacle avoidance. And that's the quick breakdown of recreational versus commercial drone flying. If you're a senior who's purely enjoying the hobby, keep it up. But if you've got your sights set on earning income, or just taking on professional level projects, definitely look into the Part 107 license for commercial drone pilots. I'll link some resources in the description below. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips on drone flying, tech for seniors, and staying adventurous at any age. Until next time, happy flying and take care.